Now let us discuss about B plus tree insertion. Here the order is given as 5, order m equal to 5. So the maximum number of keys are m minus 1, that is 5 minus 1, that is 4. So per node maximum we can store 4 keys. Let us solve this problem. Construct B plus tree using the elements. So let us insert these keys like B tree in B plus tree also. Insertion will always be done on the key node, on the leaf node. So insert 7. Next insert 10. Keys are always stored in ascending order. So this is nothing but leaf node. Insertion will always be done on the leaf node. So store the elements in ascending order. So 7, 10. Next insert 1. Store in ascending order. So 1, 7, 10. Next insert 23. Store in ascending order. 1, 7, 10, 23. Next we have 5. So insert 5 in the leaf node. So now the leaf node is 1. Store in ascending order. So after 1 we will have 5. Next to 7, 10, 23. So we can say that the leaf node is full. Why? Because here the maximum number of keys are 4 only. So we can't accommodate more than 4 keys. So leaf node is full. So we have to perform the splitting. So find the middle element. So which is the middle element? So here we have totally 5 elements. So this third element is the middle element. So push this element up. Push this element to the parent. So now 7 will become the parent. 1, 5 are less than 7. So it will become the left leaf. Next 10, 23 are greater than 7. So it will become the right leaf. In addition to the 10, 23, here we have to store the key 7 also. Why? Because this is B plus tree. In B plus tree, the keys are always stored in leaf node. Whereas if we take B tree, in B tree, the keys are stored in leaf node as well as internal node also. But in B plus tree, the keys are always stored in leaf node. In B plus tree, the internal node represent pointer, whereas in B tree, internal node also represents key. So here this 7 is nothing but pointer. It is a pointer which contains the address of 7. 7 is a pointer which contains address of the key 7. Whereas 1, 5, 7, 10, 23 are keys. Keys are always stored in leaf node. Here in B plus tree, the leaf nodes are connected using some pointers in linked list manner, or we can use double linked list also. So double linked list means we will have 2 arrows. I am using single linked list, so only 1 arrow. So interconnect the leaf nodes using the pointers. Next insert the next node, that is 15. 15 is greater than 7. So we have to insert in this leaf node. Store the keys in ascending order. So 7, 10, 15, 23. Next insert 17. 17 is greater than 7. So store in this leaf node only. So after 15 we will get 7. So now this leaf node contains 5 keys. 7, 10, 15, 17, 23. So we can say that this leaf node is also full. So we have to perform the splitting. Find the middle element. Here what is the middle element? This third element is the middle element. So left part 2 elements, right part 2 elements. So this 15 is the middle element. So push this element to the parent. So now the parent will have 7 as well as 15. 7 as well as 15. 1, 5 are less than 7. So left leaf. Next 10 is in between 7 and 15, but in addition to the 10, we have to store 7 also. 7, 10. So leaf node contains keys. So 1 is key, 5 is key, this 7 is key, 10 is key. This 7 is a key, whereas this 7 is a pointer. It contains the address of the 7. Next, 17, 23. This 15 is pushed to the parent. 17, 23 are greater than 15. But in addition to 17, 23, we have to store 15 also. This is key, whereas this 15 is a pointer. So 15, 17, 23. Now interconnect the leaf nodes using the pointers. After inserting every element, interconnect the leaf nodes using the pointers. Next, insert the next element. So what is the next element? 17 is over. So the next element is 9. 9 is in between 7 and 15. So we have to insert in this leaf node. So this leaf node will contain 3 keys now. 7, 9, 10. Insertion will always be done on the leaf node. Next we have 11. 11 is also in between 7 and 15. So we have to insert in this leaf node. Now this leaf node contains 4 keys. They are 7, 9, 10, 11. Next insert 39. 39 is greater than 15. So insert in this leaf node. 39. Next 35. 35 is greater than 15. So we have to arrange in ascending order. So 35, we have to place 35 in between 23 and 39. 35. 15, 17, 23, 35, 39. So we can say that this leaf node is full. We have 5 keys, but maximum number of keys are 4 only. So we have to perform the splitting. So find the middle element. Push that element up to the parent. Here what is the middle element? 23. So push 23 to the parent. Now the internal node will contains 7, 15 as well as this 23. 1, 5 are less than 7. Next 9, 10, 11 are in between 7 and 15, but in addition to the 9, 10, 11 we have to store 7 also. So 7, this is key, this is pointer. 9, 10, 11. Next 17 is in between 15 and 23. Let us write here. For here there is no space, that's why I am writing this leaf node little bit in down portion. 17 is in between 15 and 23, but we have to store this 15 also. This 15 is the key, whereas this 15 is the pointer. So 15, 17. Next 35, 39 are greater than 23, but we have to store 23 also. 23. This is key. Leaf node contains keys, whereas this is pointers. These are pointers. So 23, 35, 39. Next, interconnect the leaf nodes using the pointers. These are leaf nodes. Interconnect them using the pointers. Next, insert the next node, that is 8. Insert 8. Insert 8. 8 is in between 7 and 15. So insert in this leaf node. So now this leaf node will contain 5 keys, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we can say that this leaf node is full. So perform the splitting. Find the middle value. So what is the middle value here? The third value is 9. So push 9 up. So now the parent, the internal node will have 4 keys. What are they? 7, 9, 15 and 23. So now the internal node will contain 4 values, 4 pointers, 7, 9, 15 and 23. Next, leaf nodes, keys 1, 5 are less than 7. Next, 7, 7 and 8. So 8 is in between 7 to 9. But in addition to the 8, we have to store 7 also. 7, 8. Next 10, 11. 10, 11 are in between 9 and 15. But in addition to 10, 11, we have to store 9 also. So 9, 10, 11. Next, in between 15 to 23, we have 17. But we have to store 15 also. This is key, this is pointer. Next, 23, 35, 39. 23, 35, 39. Next, insert 40. 40 is greater than 23. So now this leaf node will contain 23, 35, 39 and 40. Next, 25. 25 is greater than 23. So in between 23 and 25 we have to store, in between 23 and 35 we have to store 25. Now this leaf node is containing 5 keys. So we can say that leaf node is full. So perform the splitting, find the middle element. Here what is the middle element? This 35 is the middle element. 23, 25 left part, whereas 39, 40 right part. So this 35 is the middle element. So push this middle element up. Arrange in ascending order. 35. So now this internal node is also full now. So it is containing 5 pointers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we can say that this internal node is full. So we have to perform the splitting. Find the middle element. So here what is the middle element? 15 is the middle element. So push 2 up. So 15 is the middle element. 7, 9 are less than 15. Next right part. 23, 35 are greater than 15. 23, 35 are greater than 15. Here there is no need to store 15. Why? Because here this is pointer, internal, this is pointer, this is also internal node, root is also internal node. This is a pointer. 7, 9, 23, 35 are pointers. Here there is no need to store 15. 23, 35 are greater than 15. Let us arrange the keys now. 1, 5 are less than 7. Next, 7, 8 are between 7 to 9. Interconnect them using pointers after performing every insertion. Next, greater than 9, we have 9, 10, 11. 9, 10, 11. Next, 23, less than 23. In between 15 to 23 we have 15, 17. 15, 17. So less than 23, 15, 17. Next, in between 23 to 25, in between 23 to 35, we have 25. So in addition to 25, we have to store 23 also. So 23, 25. Next, here what are the elements? 23, 25, 35. But this 35 is internal node. So we have to store 39, 40. In addition to 39, 40, we have to store 35 key also. So 35, 39, 40. 35, 39, 40. So interconnect all the leaf nodes using pointers. So leaf node contains keys, whereas this internal node and this root node contains pointers. So after inserting all these elements, this is the final output.